Revo S is a customized endodontic instrumentation sequence for most root canal anatomies, providing safety with simplicity. The Revo S instrumentation system consists of 3 electropolished NiTi instruments, SC1, SC2, and SU. After obtaining access and finding canal orifices, the coronal 2/3 of the canal is enlarged with the Revo SC1 instrument, which is 21 millimeters in length and 25 at the tip at an 0.6 taper. The SC2 instrument is 25 at the tip at an 0.4 taper and it is easily taken to the full working length. The SU instrument follows the action of the SC1 and SC2 instruments to smooth out the root canal walls. The SU is 25 at the tip at an 0.6 taper. In clinical cases, if the practitioner prefers to instrument the canal to a larger apical size, the Revo S system offers apical finishing instruments, the AS30, AS35, and AS40. Each apical shaper instrument has an 0.6 taper and a specific tip size 30, 35, or 40.